In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a concept map using paper, Microsoft Word, or Google Drive. Concept maps are powerful visual tools that help organize ideas and show relationships between different concepts. They're commonly used for studying, brainstorming, planning projects, or explaining complex topics in a clear and structured way. By arranging ideas visually, a concept map helps you better understand how information connects, making it easier to learn, remember, and communicate your thoughts. Let's begin with the most basic method, creating a concept map using paper. Start by placing your main topic in the center of the page. Write the key idea inside a circle or box so it stands out clearly. Once the main idea is in place, think about the related ideas or subtopics connected to that central concept. Draw lines extending outward from the main topic and write the related ideas at the end of each line. These become the primary branches of your concept map. As you continue thinking about the topic, you can add smaller ideas connected to those branches, creating additional levels that show how information is organized. Now let's look at how to create a concept map using Microsoft Word. Open a new document in Microsoft Word and begin by inserting shapes. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and select Shapes. Choose a shape such as an oval or rectangle to represent your main concept and place it near the center of the page. Type your main idea inside that shape. Next, insert additional shapes to represent related concepts. Position them around the main idea and then use connector lines from the Shapes menu to link the shapes together. These connectors visually represent the relationships between your ideas. As you build your concept map, you can move the shapes around and adjust their size to keep the layout clear and organized. You can also create a concept map using Google Drive. Open Google Drive and create a new Google Docs or Google Drawings file. In Google Docs, select the Insert menu and choose Drawing, then create a new drawing. Inside the Drawing workspace, use the Shape tools to place your main concept in the center and add additional shapes for related ideas. Connect the shapes using line connectors to illustrate how the concepts relate to each other. Once finished, save and insert the drawing into your document. If you are using Google Drawings directly, the process is very similar, allowing you to easily arrange shapes, add text, and connect ideas visually. No matter which method you choose, the key to a good concept map is clarity and organization. Keep your main idea prominent, arrange related concepts logically, and use connecting lines to clearly show relationships between ideas. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.